Hi there. Welcome. It's Monday, March 21st, 2022. Welcome to your cost accounting class. My name is Tony Smith. I put my information out on the announcements page a couple of weeks ago, so you can learn a little bit about me if you're interested. So the next 10 weeks we're going to spend together, and we're going to talk about the very exciting hot topic of cost accounting. And you're sitting here thinking, why in the world am I having to take a cost accounting class? So, first of all, don't overthink it. When you throw the word cost accounting up, a lot of people think, oh, this is going to be deep math. It's going to be stuff that I'm unfamiliar with. And quite honestly, it's really, really basic. And it's more about how to manage your business and how to manage it from a number standpoint. Whereas our financial accounting piece of the accounting world, which focuses more on generally accepted accounting principles, financial reporting, regulation, which is known to all of us as tax, um, and that sort of thing. That's the financial piece. This is more the managerial accounting piece of it. So here you'll be looking at, the decision-making process, how costs are bucketed. So what's a direct cost? What's a fixed cost? What's an indirect cost? What's a variable cost? What's a product cost? And you think, oh, okie dokie. It's sometimes cost can be very complex, and sometimes they can be very basic and very direct. But you really have to know these parts of your business when you're an entrepreneur or whether you're a manager. You really have to know what costs drive your business. If you figure this piece of it out, the rest of it will fall into place. The other things we're going to spend a lot of time talking about is CVP, cost volume profit analysis. And think about this in terms of, if I have $10,000 to make an investment in a product or some type of concept, how am I going to maximize it? And that's when we start talking about things like contribution margin. What's my break even in units? We'll talk about that. What's my target income? So that's how much income I want to make after everything is paid for and everybody goes home, and what my degree of operating leverage is. So how leveraged I am in my business. So make sure you understand these concepts and you spend a little bit of time before you dive into the homework. So this week, really all you have is the discussion board. The discussion board is due on Wednesday, so you have to make at least one post, your initial post introducing yourself. Hi, my name's Tony. I'm an Aries. I like cost accounting, that sort of thing. Post that on Wednesday, and then by Sunday, make sure that you've replied to two of your classmates. Outside that, you just do your textbook readings and your homework. So please don't let the homework get you down. Try to spend some time on it and don't postpone the homework, because the homework builds into the class project, and both of those are key. So what I do for this course is I do work the class project. I do it on YouTube videos. So as you get to those milestones, I'll post videos out there for you, and I'll walk you through each calculation step by step. And then the written portion of your milestone or project milestone is for you to take those calculations and tell me what those mean and how you can optimize the business and that sort of thing. So I tried to keep this as short as I could, but it always ends up way too long. So I wish everyone a great week. If you need to reach me, the quickest, easiest way is look back in the announcements. My direct email is there, as well as my phone number. You can text me, you can call me, you can always send me an email. However, it takes me a little bit longer to get back to the emails. I only check those once, twice a day. So otherwise, I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing those posts out there on the discussion board. Thanks. Take care.